Now this is what I want to show you. It is a scalar pendant. Now this pendant is ionizing the air, creating negative ions. And as you remember from chemistry class, a negative ion is a molecule with an extra electron. So what happens is when I put an apple on this pendant, the surrounding oxygen tries to steal away electrons from the apple, thus oxidizing it and turning it brown. But since this pendant is producing electrons through negative ions, it is replacing the electrons that the oxygen takes away, thus preventing oxidation. Okay, well, that's all well and good, but how can we really know? How can we really determine that this pendant is producing negative ions? Well, since negative ions are invisible. Well, there is a way. It's with the Geiger-Müller tube, used by scientists and engineers to determine ionic activity in the air. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this pendant aside for a moment, and I'm going to run a test with this machine empty, with nothing in it, okay? It takes about 15 seconds. Now the blue light activity shows that it's picking up negative ions, but you must realize there are naturally occurring negative ions in the air at any given time. So right now there are 3 negative ions, floating around in the air at random. It could be coming from anywhere. Okay, but anyway, ideally this machine should have read 0 since there was nothing in the machine. Okay, now we're going to run the test with the pendant. And we're going to see, we're going to compare the number 3 to whatever the pendant reads, okay? So remember that number 3. I'm going to put the machine right there on top of the pendant and start a test. Now look at the light. It's flickering, significantly faster. It's actually going out of control. You could hear it too. You could hear it clicking. And it's reading negative ions per cubic centimeter. So that's about the area of a sugar cube. There are 7,274 negative ions per cubic centimeter for that pendant. Okay? And that's how we can know for sure that this pendant is producing negative ions. So with a Geiger-Müller tube, used for many decades now. I just want to show you something. Well, I'll make another video and show it to you later. But that's it for now. That's how you can know for sure that a scalar pendant is actually ionizing the air and producing negative ions. Okay, thanks for watching this video.